Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza topping at home. First, let's create a delicious base sauce. Start by combining one 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes with 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a half teaspoon of dried basil. Gently simmer this mixture over low heat for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. You can add a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity, if you prefer a slightly sweeter sauce. Next, let's prepare your fresh vegetable toppings. Thoroughly wash and thinly slice your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, red onions, and mushrooms. For a better texture, you might want to briefly sauté tougher vegetables like onions or peppers in a little olive oil before adding them to the pizza. This helps them cook through evenly in the oven. Remember to ensure all your vegetables are dry to avoid a soggy crust. Now, for the meat lovers, let's prepare your protein toppings. If you're using ground meats like Italian sausage or seasoned beef, cook them thoroughly in a pan until no pink remains. It's crucial to drain any excess grease to prevent your pizza from becoming oily. For cured meats like pepperoni or ham, simply slice them thinly. Pre-cooking ensures everything is perfectly done when your pizza comes out of the oven. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Spread a thin, even layer of your delicious homemade sauce over your pizza dough, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Next, sprinkle your favorite cheese generously, followed by your prepared vegetables and meats. Distribute everything evenly for a balanced bite. Bake your pizza at a high temperature, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.